Hey guys, 2020 Ford Raptor, bed liner, bed extender, bed cover, good tires. This is a rebuilt title, rear damage, bedside. Happened in 2023 it had about 32,000 miles on it. I just took it in on trade. Got about 45,000 miles on it now. Good tires. All weather. 2 keys. You see 45,323 on the miles. Locking diff, trailer backup, heated seats, lane assist, backup camera, all your auxiliaries, power windows, locks, mirrors. No sunroof on this one. Here's your VIN number. So again, rebuilt title. It was bed damage. Nothing was touched in the front. It does have a little damage here. Blind spot monitors. Check out all our inventory at Real Deal Auto.